Morning, everyone. This is Patty, and today I am filming some blackbirds all over the ground over here. We were just saying yesterday how since the government shutdown, we had not seen hardly any birds. But look at how many are flying around here. We just got a whole bunch of rain, so they're probably after the food along with over there by the field, having some, like corn falling off of the corn stalks as they're bringing it in from the field. But we have just got oodles and oodles of blackbirds right now.